In this video we're going to solve a more difficult balance problem. So we're going to find the circle and the triangle when the square is equal to 4 for this balance problem. If we look here, we've got three things. We've got circle, triangle and a square. But if we look on this side, we've just got a triangle and a square, two variables only. So we'll start with this side, the right hand side. We'll let C be equal to a circle, T be equal to a triangle, S be equal to a square. So on this side we've got two triangles plus one square, which we just write as S, is equal to two squares plus one triangle. So if we do that, if I take S from both sides, take one square off from both sides, that will just give me two triangles here, and then on this side it will give me a square plus a triangle. If I take a triangle from both sides here, that would just give me one triangle on that side and a square on that side. So the triangle must be equal to the square, where the square is equal to 4. Therefore, the value of the triangle is 4 as well. Now moving over to this side. On this side I've got two circles plus a triangle is equal to two triangles plus a square. Right, I could actually solve it from here, but if I take a triangle from both sides, it will just help us to look at how we actually solve equations. So still we'll have balance on this bit only. And then I'm going to have 2C on this side, and then I'm going to have one less here, so I'm going to have a triangle plus a square. If I divide both sides by 2, then that will just give me one circle there is equal to the triangle plus the square divided by 2. Well, we know the square is 4 and the triangle is 4, so T is equal to S is equal to 4, so I can write down 4 plus 4 is equal to 2, which again will give me 4. So the circle, the triangle and the square are all equal to 4. So this shows you approach to solving a balance puzzle. I hope you understand, and I thank you very much for watching.